step into the Jeep 2020 Renegade Upland. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Alpine White Clear Coat, Quick Order Package 2X and Upland Edition included, engine 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940ATE automatic remote start system, deep tin sunscreen glass, 2 front tow hooks, cornering front fog lamps, front suspension skid plate, tangerine interior accents, body color door handles, Upland Edition black side roof rails, all-season floor mats, keyless entry with panic alarm, Jeep black gloss badging, black cloth low back bucket seats, transmission, 9-speed 940ATE automatic, STD, engine, 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR, STD, 4-wheel drive, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today.